Hello everyone, hope that all of you are fine and doing well. Today we are going to talk about abscissa of a point. The abscissa of a point A is the distance between A and 0. Here is A on the number line. So A is located 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units to the right. So the abscissa of A is plus 5 or 5. You write it like that. A into parenthesis 5. So the abscissa of A is 5. What about point B? Point B is located here. So 1, 2 units to the right. So the abscissa of point B is 2 or plus 2. So B into parenthesis 2. So the abscissa of point B is plus 2 or 2. What about point C? C is located 1, 2, 3, and 4 units to the left. So the abscissa of point C is minus 4 or C of minus 4. The abscissa of C is minus 4. The point D is located at minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8.5. So the abscissa of point D is minus 8.5. Opposite of a number. The opposite of a number is the same distance from 0 on the number line as the original number but on the other side. What do we mean by that? Let's take the point of plus 4. So plus 4 is located 4 units to the right. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is plus 4. The opposite of plus 4 is 4 units to the left. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the opposite of plus 4 is minus 4. Simply we can change the positive sign to negative sign. Suppose that I am going to find the opposite of minus 2. So minus 2 is located 2 units to the left. Its opposite will be 2 units to the right. So 1, 2. So the opposite of minus 2 is plus 2 or 2. Opposite of minus 3 is the same. Minus 3 is located here. It is 3 units to the left. So 1, 2, 3. The opposite of minus 3 will be 3 units to the right. So 1, 2, and 3. So the opposite of minus 3 will be a plus 3. Or we can simply change the negative sign to a positive sign. So opposite of plus 5.1, I have a plus sign, so I will make it a negative sign. Then I will write the number as it is. On the number line, 5.1 is located here. Its opposite will be minus 5.1. Opposite of minus 13.9, so I have a negative 13.9. Its opposite will be plus 13.9. 4.25 is the same as plus 4.25 as we explained before. So it has a plus sign. Its opposite will be a negative sign, so minus 4.25. Opposite of minus 190 is negative sign. Its opposite will be a positive sign, so plus 190. Opposite of 5 over 2. 5 over 2 is the same as plus 5 over 2. So the opposite of plus 5 over 2 is minus 5 over 2. Opposite of plus 1.8. Here we have two opposite. So opposite of plus 1.8 is minus 1.8. And another opposite outside the parenthesis. So opposite of minus 1.8 is plus 1.8. So as you notice, if we have two opposite preceding the number, they cancel each other and the number remain as it is, plus 1.8. Comparing signed numbers. Let's take a look on this number line. As you know, plus 10 is greater than plus 9. And the plus 9 or 9 is greater than 5. So as we go, we can say also 0 is smaller than 1 and 1 is smaller than 5. 5 is smaller than 8. So as we go to the right, the number becomes greater. So 0 is smaller than plus 1. Can we say that minus 1 is smaller than 0? Yes, we can. So minus 1 is smaller than 0. Minus 2 is smaller than minus 1. Minus 10 is smaller than minus 5. So the number, as we goes to the left, the number becomes smaller, and as we goes to the right, the number becomes bigger. So plus 1 is greater than minus 2, and minus 4 is greater than minus 9, or we can say that minus 9 is smaller than minus 5. So the numbers to the left are the smallest, or as we go to the left, the number becomes smaller. Let's take a look here. Minus 1 and plus 4. So minus 1 is to the left of plus 4. So minus 1 is smaller than plus 4, or we can say plus 4 is greater than minus 1. Another example. Minus 15 and minus 9. So as we go to the left, the number becomes smaller. So minus 15 is smaller than minus 9. Minus 4, or we can say minus 9 is greater than minus 15. Here, minus 4 and minus 11. So minus 11 is to the left of minus 4, so minus 11 is smaller than minus 4. Or we can say minus 4 is greater than minus 11. Use the number line to order the integers from least to greatest. So we have these numbers and we are going to put them in ascending orders. So minus 3, 6, minus 5, 2, 0, and minus 8. So as we go to the left, the number become bigger. So for example, 6 is smaller than 7, or we can say 7 is greater than 6, 8 is greater than 3, 3 is greater than minus 1. So minus 8, since it is to the left, it is the smallest number. So minus 8 is the first number. So minus 8 is smaller than minus 5, and minus 5 is smaller than minus 3. Minus 3 is smaller than 0. 0 is smaller than 2 or plus 2. Plus 2 is smaller than plus 6.